my terrific friends. It is tea day. Tea, terrible top to. Tea looks like this in sign language, kind of like got your nose if you ever played that game. So, we're talking about tea today, and I've got a story called It's a Tiger. And it's written by David LaRochelle. It is a fiction story, which means they made it up. Because I don't think a tiger looks like that. I mean, that was your first giveaway, right? So, It's a Tiger by David LaRochelle. Here we go. Are you ready for a story? Me too. We'll start in the jungle where the tall tree grows and the monkeys swing from vine to vine. Wait a minute. That's not a monkey. That's looks like. Where did they see it? Looks like what? A tiger! Run! Push aside these vines and we'll hide inside this cave. Duck your head, flap, 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 and watch out for bats. I don't know about you, but those shadows are making me nervous. Oh, do you see the outline? A tiger! Ah! How did he get here? Hurry! Climb that ladder. We'll make our escape. Arr. I guess it's more of a growl, not a rrr. Sunshine. Doesn't that feel good? Uh-oh. Snakes! Hundreds of them! If we're not quiet, shh, we can tiptoe past. Shh. Blue snakes, green snakes, even a great big fancy snake that looks just like a tiger! Run! Yikes, he's gaining on us. Our only chance is to leap for that rope and swing across the canyon. Now let go! Home. We made it. Good thing we landed someplace soft. A bed of flowers, a pile of leaves, a giant orange and black pillow. No, we landed on top of a tiger! Now we're really in trouble. Yikes. Quick, climb this rock and slide down the hill. Bumpity, bumpity, bump, bump, bump. Yes, a boat. Hop on deck and raise the anchor. Full steam ahead, Captain. Safe at last. Say, I've never seen a sea captain with a tail before. Have you? You don't think it could be a tiger? Not again! Ugh. Jump overboard or we'll end up as lunch. Swim, swim, splash, splash, splash. I know you're tired, but don't slow down. We're in luck. There's an island and a chest. A treasure chest. Open the lid. I bet we'll find a tiger. Roar! And he wants to eat us. Wait a minute. He doesn't want to eat us. He was only yawning. If we scratch his ears and rub his belly, maybe he'll go to sleep. Better yet, maybe he'll tell us a story. We'll start in the jungles where the tall trees grow and the monkeys swing from vine to vine. Wait a minute. That's not a monkey. That looks like a crocodile. Wah! And that's the end of that story. That little boy had quite an imagination, didn't he? It's kind of fun to have an imagination. So we're talking about the letter T. T, top, T. And your teeth come together when you make that T sound. And it looks like this in sign language. You put your thumb between your first two fingers and you put them together. And it's a line down and a cross, and a line down and a cross. Let me explain what you're going to do at home. You have these terrific T things. If you think it starts with a T sound, you're going to circle it. That's easy. Here you're going to try to make a T. T, T, T. Over here, we're talking about the number 1 because we are talking about numbers in math. And you're supposed to circle all the ones and then trace the word 1 and then write it yourself. And here you're supposed to draw one sun on you, and you're in the sky. You are the sky, and there's a sun in the sky. Well, not the last thing, but the second to last thing is ta 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 ta. Oh, okay, I was getting carried away. You're making T's. So if you could do 3 across, and I've showed you how to make the T's, easy. Then you're going to make a tree. A tree? What is she saying? Here's the green paper that will go home. So you're going to take your hand and you're going to put it down. Let me trace it, and it's going to make a mess of my hand. I know it. So I'm going to put my hand like this. Let's see. I'm going to put it up here because you can see it. Yep. So I'm going to trace my hand, which is a little crock-eyed. All the way around. Whoa! 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 And I'm going to make a hand tree. It's the best we can do for a tree. So I've traced my hand, and then I'm going to cut it out. And that's the hardest part, I think, is cutting. Because you have to go around those little fingers of yours, right? I'm moving it around. And 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 I turn it upside down. And I cut it out. And I'm going to recycle this. Kind of looks like a tree, right? And on your tree, you can make the letter T all over your tree, or you can draw things that start with a T, like turtle or tiger, roar, or tennis or top, or totally terrific things. So you have those things to do today. Oh, today, that starts with a T. I'm hiding behind a tree. So have a great day with your T's, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.